everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix MP4 export failed on Alight Motion. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can try to fix the MP4 export fail error in Alight Motion. So the first thing you can do is to close and reopen Alight Motion. Simply go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen and bring up the app switcher card. Now, push upwards for the app switcher card and release. Sometimes a simple restart of the app can resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the export issue. Now once you force close your application, reopen it again. This time you can proceed with your export. If the problem still continues, you will need to free up device storage. Alight Motion requires sufficient storage space to process and export your video. So always make sure to check your device's storage and ensure that there is enough free space for the export process. You can also go ahead and delete any unwanted application from your device. Press hold the app and then tap on Remove App and click on the Delete button twice in order to delete any application you no longer use on your device. Once you make sure to clear up some storage space by deleting unnecessary files, go back to the Alight Motion app and see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you would want to do is to update your Alight Motion app. Open your Google Play Store or your App Store and then search for Alight Motion in the search box. Once you go ahead and search for Alight Motion, look for this application and open up the preview page. If there is an update button instead of open, simply tap on update to download the latest version of Alight Motion app. Once you do that, open up the application again and try exporting your video. While you might want your final video in higher resolution, exporting at a resolution that is lower can sometimes help avoid export failures. If your video is very long, make sure that you consider exporting it in smaller chunks. This can help avoid overloading your device's resources during export and potentially eliminate the error. If the problem still continues, delete your Alight Motion application from your device and reinstall it again, and that might be able to help you fix the problem. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.